Good morning, dear parents. Today I am going to teach a new letter, that is letter I. And the phonic sound of letter I is E, as in injection, in the box, insects, etc. You may find some words which are written with letter I, like ice cream, ice, iron. But these words are not having E sound. So in LKG, we will stress only on one phonic sound of letter I, that is E sound. I, E. And other words which don't have E sound will not be accepted. So please keep that in mind when you revise with your child. For now, letter I has only one sound, that is E sound. I hope it is clear. Thank you. Hello my dear children. So today your ma'am is here to teach you a new sound, a new letter. But before we start, you all have to sit straight, look at the screen and listen to your ma'am carefully. Now I am going to show you one picture. You have to identify it. Alright, so let's begin. Do you know, children, what is this? Injection. What is this? Injection. And what is the beginning sound of injection? Injection, E. Injection, E. So today we are learning a new sound, that is E sound. That is E sound. So now I am going to show you more E sound pictures and you will repeat after your ma'am. Alright, so let's begin. Injection, E. Injection, E. In the tray. Now, in this picture, all the toys are kept in the tray. Okay, so you will say in the tray, E. In the tray, E. Igloo, E. Igloo, E. Indian flag, E. Indian flag, E. Now, do you know, children, our country name is India. Okay, so this is India. India, E. India, E. Ink pot, E. Ink pot, E. Insects, E. Insects, E. Infant, E. You know, newborn baby is called infant. Infant, E. Now, these two children are inside the tent house. Okay, they are inside. So, we will say inside, E. Inside, E. Now, children, just now I showed you so many E sound pictures, है ना? But do you know, children, this E sound also has a name. E sound also has a picture. And Do you know how it looks like? It looks like this. This is letter I. And I sound is E. I, E. And this is small letter I, E. Okay? I, E. I, E. So, just now we did letter I, E. I, E. Okay? So, now you are going to watch this video again and you will say the name, say the sound loudly and clearly. Alright children? Bye-bye.